It's a whole new construction site. It's this is Agbalan Kwanta to Takoradi Road, and the road is being constructed by just more construction works. I can tell you this man is doing a very great and a marvelous job. Just look at the thickness of the road. Just look at the thickness of the road. Just have a look at the thickness of the road. Currently, we are in Agbalan Kwanta. Yes, we are in Agbalan Kwanta. This is the main road. I think they are doing a double lane. And besides, if this double lane is finished, it will help the commuters from Aguna to Takoradi. Let's say from Aguna Nkwanta to Abuade to Ewusejo to Bukro, Bukro to Cheryin Junction, then from the junction to Biahon to Apawa straight to, that is Warri Chrome. From Warri Chrome to Apramudo. Then Apramudo. Good morning. I'm proud of you. From Apramudo to Apollo Junction. From Apollo Junction to Pisimintim. Then from Pisimintim to Sawmill. Then Sawmill to New Takoradi. From New Takoradi, go straight to the Jeep roundabout. Then we almost at Takoradi. So this road carefully is being carefully done. Yes. So we are on the road. We just doing a tour here. All of these places. I'm gonna come back. It is a double lane, so you can't see the way things are going, the way the contractors or the contractor is doing the job. It's a nice job. And the thickness of the road is wow. That one, no doubt about it. The contractor is doing a great job. And probably if someone is doing a great job, at least we have to commend him. We have to commend him because he is one of the international roads. Yeah, let me say it like that. Good morning.
Morning.
He is one of the international roads, and this road leads to from here, or if somebody's coming from Takoradi or Accra, then want to go to let's see, Elubo, or is that Elubo, Axim, Takwa, Bogoso, Stia, all over the place. Even you sometimes take this road to enter the border. Yes, that is, we have the Côte d'Ivoire border here. So the Côte d'Ivoire border here, because Western region has a boundary with Côte d'Ivoire. So it's all be said and done. They are trying our best. They are trying their very best to do it. So, good morning. How are you doing? Sit down. Okay. How are you doing? So, they are doing anything possible. We are just commending it. Just look at the thickness of the road. The thickness of the road is amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. And if you look the way they are doing the road, I think it will last. Yes, it will last. This is not Sapiti. This is not Sapiti. It will last. It will last. So we need to commend them and give them all the assurance, because I think the government has popped enough money to them to complete it. And after completion, I think it will help the commuters from the Nzema enclaves or the Hunter enclaves to the let's say our district, our regional capital. The regional capital is Sekondi Accra, and there's the clinic called the Jima Clinic. This is the clinic, Jima Clinic, and it's around where they are constructing the road. My God, the thickness of the road, Charlie, is something else. It's mind blowing. Yeah, it's mind blowing. And these are some of the equipment or the machines that they are using it for the construction. Yes, these are some of the machines they are doing, or they are using it for the construction. As I told you, it's just small construction. Who are doing the construction, or who are constructing this road for the people of Western region, especially the Ahanta West. Yes, so this is just small. This is what I told you, just small group of companies. This is forklifts. Yes, and this one too is another machine that they are using it to construct the road. This is the excavator. Yeah, so we are here to enlighten you and show you what's really happening here. These are some of the machines. So as I told you, that is just small. So you can see just small constructions. They are doing a great and a massive job in the Ahanta West, from Agona to Takoradi, Dua, Courage Road. They are doing marvelous job. They are doing marvelously. Just look at the road. 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 They are. I'm not saying they are doing their best, but they are giving us the best. Yes. They are giving us the best. Just look at here. Look at here. Right now, if from Agona to Takoradi, if you are going to Agona to Takoradi, you have your own car. It's not short. You can take not less than 30 minutes to reach Takoradi, of which is going to save you much of your time, because if probably you want to go and fix your if probably you want to go and fetch something and see how it, and look at the way the commuters, the travelers, the car owners, especially the car owners, most of them are very happy. You know the reason why? They are very happy to extend that previously this road was very bad. This road was very bad. And I can tell you for a fact that when the road is very bad, you see, you visit the fitting shop or the mechanics each and every day, and it costs. It can cost you a lot of money. But when this road is finished and they hand over to the government for the people to use, I think it's going to save them for going to the mechanics each and every day. And besides, the spare parts itself cost a lot. It costs a lot. And just imagine if you are doing a business and every day you have to go back, you have to do this, at least to save you some money. So this is the road from Takoradi to Agona. Yes, the construction is ongoing. And today is Sunday. They didn't come to work. Yes, the contractor and the contractors didn't come to work because we perceived they have to, at least in as much as they've worked for close to a week, they have to also relax. So they're on the weekend. Probably Monday they will be here. They will come in. They will come on site to deliver for the people of Western region, Ahanta West to be precise. So I'll give you more updates on some of the roads around our place, and hopefully we will do better for our people. So we will pause here, then continue. So keep following us, and we'll give you more updates. And watch out for another episode. Bye-bye.